This Kikerike 250A battery jump post kit provides a sturdy remote connection point that makes jump starting and charging far more convenient on vehicles with hard-to-reach batteries. The heavy-duty metal bracket and thick 4-gauge cables feel robust in hand and give confidence that the system can handle high current without excessive voltage drop. Solid brass posts with clearly colored protective caps offer excellent conductivity while resisting corrosion, so the connection stays reliable over time, even in damp or salty environments. The insulated covers and included heat shrink pieces add an extra layer of protection against accidental contact, improving safety when working around the electrical system. Installation is straightforward because the bracket can be mounted in an accessible spot, and the kit includes the main hardware and accessories most people need for a clean setup. Its versatile design works well on a wide range of machines, from side-by-side vehicles and all-terrain vehicles to trucks, recreational vehicles, boats, and lawn equipment.